Now let us see the 85th question. This type of questions are matching type 1. You can easily answer by elimination method. In this type of questions, you never need to verify the all options. You just have to pick one or two, and you can easily eliminate the other options. Myself go with the BF3. The structure of BF3. BF3 is an planar structure. Its angle is 120 degrees Celsius. We know that BF3 is a trigonal planar. I choose D. Why? Because its structure is very simple. Starts with option D. Okay, D is 2. That is trigonal planar. Here D is 2. Only two options are present. Here D1. So option 1 is eliminated, and here option D is 2. Option 2 is present, and then option 3 D is 1. So option 3 also eliminated. There is presence of, by knowing of only BF3, you can easily eliminate two options. Now let us see the simplest one, that is A. We all know that PCl5. Why? Because in intermediate posterior it is an important form of question. It's having Cl, 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 bond Cl. These three chlorines are in equatorial, these two chlorines are in axial. We concluded that PCl5 is a trigonal bipyramidal structure. That means A is matched with 4. Okay, now let us verify the options. A is matched with 4. Only second option satisfies the above condition. Here A is equal to 3. That means A belongs to octahedral. That means you can easily eliminate option 4 also. Now you are left with option 2. So 2 is our correct answer. You have to verify the remaining options also. Okay, we know that SF6 structure is octahedral. That means fluorine, 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 having fluorine, fluorine. The structure of SF6 is octahedral. Here B equal to 3, that is octahedral. Okay, satisfy the above condition. Now let us verify the option C. And your answer in comment box.